Welcome back to OU Nightly. We're looking at our most recent addition to a very active tropical season here. This is Tropical Depression Beta. We've already made it into the Greek alphabet to name our storms, and this one made landfall last night as a tropical storm along the coast of Texas. It has been downgraded to a tropical depression, but that does not mean that we're not still seeing the impacts of this storm. In areas like Houston, we've seen very significant flooding. Now, this has been due to significant amounts of rainfall. We've already seen 7 to 10 inches of rainfall in areas like Houston. Galveston also seeing that significant flooding, with a lot of major roadways in these areas closed due to this tropical depression. It is moving very slowly along the coast. You can see that there. It's going to make its way up into Louisiana as we go throughout the rest of this week. So we'll keep you updated on that. Here in Norman, we're finally seeing that rainfall start to subside there. We're sitting in the high 60s. Dew points sitting very high there too. You can see it's still cloudy out there, but not as rainy. Over the past 24 hours, we've seen places in Oklahoma seeing almost 2 inches of rainfall. Here in central Oklahoma, not so much. It's mostly just been drizzling, but that rainfall will be moving off towards the east. What we've really seen from this is some significant temperature drops there. We're almost 10 degrees cooler here in Norman than we were yesterday. And just in time, folks, it is finally fall. Today is the first day. It is the autumnal equinox, and we've seen 3 inches of rainfall above average for September so far this month. So if it's felt like a rainy September, that's because it has been. And leading into this fall weather, it's a perfect day today. We've been sitting in the 60s. So our lows tonight again in the 60s. Tomorrow it's going to be a very nice day. We're in the 60s waking up. We'll land in the 70s by tomorrow afternoon, and our highs across the state will be in the 70s, 80s in the Panhandle. A regional forecast showing that rain moving off towards the east. We're not going to have to worry about that for the rest of this week. We'll be drying out, and we'll be sitting in the 80s mainly throughout the rest of this week.